Hi, guys. Welcome back to another episode of the Spotless Minds podcast with your host, Olivia Jonell. I am so excited because I am in beautiful Miami with a new friend. We met at the Nabhood Conference, learning how to build some hotels, learning what we need to do to get some investors. It's been the most exciting journey and conference that I've ever had. So definitely 10 out of 10. So today I am with Miss Lisa Blackwell. She is a realtor in the Bay Area. Lisa, how are you? How was the conference for you?
Conference was excellent. As you said, it was excellent. A 10 out of 10. There were so many fantastic things about it. It was the size of it, the information, how well it was run, the people, the networking, the knowledge. It was on all, it hit really hard on all points. I really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So tell the people a little bit about yourself, what got you started in real estate, all that good stuff.
Okay, so I've been in real estate about 5 years, and I came back to the country after a stint overseas. And
Where?
I was in South Africa at the time, and I've been living there, and
How long?
about 3 years. About 3 years,
Wow.
2.5, 3 years. And I was looking for work that was fulfilling, that aligned with my values and provided a really good income. And I had thought about real estate in my teens, like 19, and I didn't pursue it. I went to undergraduate school, and I just dropped it. And when I came back, I learned so much in overseas about how important land and appreciation is. Land appreciation, both in the term of appreciating and appreciation, the dollar appreciation. Anyway, or the financial appreciation of it, and how important it is to maintain community and culture to hold things together. So between those three things, I decided to I made a decision to go into real estate. So I love it so much, and so that's how I got into it.
Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Cool. And so, what did you study instead of real estate at the time? What
Oh,
was the
mass
first thing?
communications.
Okay.
So yes, hi, thank you.
Ooh,
Treats,
we got
thank you.
food.
Oh,
That's too
icy,
cute. Let's
ice
show people
water.
what you got.
Oh, healthy stuff, ice cream and
Ooh,
French fries.
yum. 0 calorie ice cream and French fries.
All the
Okay.
colors. Okay.
So mass communication. So what'd you do with that? What'd you end up
Mm.
doing with that?
I worked in news.
Oh
Yeah,
wow.
I worked in news. I liked it a lot, but I ended up quitting that and went to work for a museum instead.
Okay.
The African Museum. Wait, the Museum of the African Diaspora. So I worked there for a while. I was fundraising.
Wonderful. And that was in South Africa?
That was in San Francisco, and
Oh.
then from there, that's how I connected and went to San Francisco. These fries are really good. They're for my daughter, but I'm kind of into them.
Like they're mine now.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
she can get her fries, but yeah, they're really good.
Okay. And so what got you into
Hotel stuff.
yeah.
Um, well, being in real estate, I do commercial and residential. And right now, I'm in the Bay Area. San Francisco, San Jose are two pretty big urban areas, and Oakland, and they're all kind of suffering through what a lot of cities are right now with a lot of vacancies in the downtown. And so there's going to be like a restructuring, a reimagining of that space. And so, I know people are scared right now to get into commercial, but there are some people who are pretty visionary who want to get into it. We're starting to think about it. And, I just want to be part of that. First of all, part of sort of helping imagine and who gets into those spaces and makes those decisions. And be part of that myself, part of, what that is. And one of the uses for repurposing downtown is hotels.
Right.
Yeah. Um, so that's one thing that brought me to the hotel thing, and then the other thing that brought me to the hotel thing is I just have a really um, a real passion for hospitality
Mhm.
and and it's been a lifelong dream of mine, like since I was a little girl, to have a series.
Okay, guys, we had to change locations. The phone, it's very hot outside today. So the phone,
101.
101? Oh my goodness, it's hot.
That was
And
before noon too.
oh my goodness, like I'm sweating right here just sitting down. So we had to move and come to the beach. I don't think let me show you guys the beach. It's so beautiful out here. Okay, so yeah, we left off with you talking about how you've always had a, a desire to own a series of hotels. Is it because you're a traveler, or how did that start? Like, I know you say you always had a passion for hospitality, but what is that?
I love creating experiences for people, and I love welcoming people, and I also have traveled enough to have felt unwelcome in some spaces, and wanting to sort of provide the things that I love when I travel, and not that I love, that everyone loves, that makes traveling special, and to give everyone that higher level of service. And to be honest, I think that Black people in particular need a place of real comfort and rest and beauty and celebration. And so my vision has always been to, open a series of inns or hotels. My vision was never like they were huge. They were a good size in different locations, that were significant for one reason or another. And then to also, just kind of bring the culture of that place into that space. And it's something I've done in different ways anyway, and so
Like at your home and
at my home, or if I like host an event, or if I host like a travel group or something like that, and then I'll set it all up. Oh, we're here with my daughter. That's her in the background. Ow, wait, there's an emergency. Let me see. What's happened? What happened? Uh-oh. Kisses. So,
I bit myself.
you were asking me.
I bit myself.
You bit yourself. Okay.
so here it is.
Okay.
You want.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, you were asking me about, and also some things that, now that I have a daughter, it's become even more important to me in a lot of ways to fulfill this dream, because you want to teach your kids to fulfill their own dreams, and then also to help provide her with those spaces that she can go to. Yeah, and her friends.
It's 10 minutes. No more. It's for rent. Okay? The cabana is for rent.
All right, guys, so I'm sponsoring my own podcast today. On this channel, we talk about all things health, wealth, beauty. And so what better way to protect everything that you've been working hard towards? The healthy eating, the working out, building your wealth, building your beauty, if you're not at least going to protect it financially. Back in the day, the men were the breadwinners, so when we passed away, there really wasn't much, if we weren't married, to really be passing down. Now we are bosses. Hello. CEOs. We are actually head of households these days, and so I just want to come and remind you that there's no better time to get your life insurance than who you are today, because your health, your age, all of those things affect your prices. So if you plan on having kids in the future, if you have kids in the present, if you're protecting your family and you were to pass away today, is everything that you've been building, your legacy, protected? Next question. If not, what better way than working with me and getting your family some life insurance? I'm the best at what I do. #1 life insurance agent. So definitely let me know. I am a broker, so I work with the top A-rated companies, so I can for sure get you the best deal in the market. with the best companies, fastest payouts. Girl, I got you. Just know I got you. All right.